Utah furnace repair services are extremely important, and most people do not give their furnace enough attention. That's usually when you start having problems with your furnace, and will have to spend a lot more than you need on repairs or a full replacement of your heating system. Just like a car needs to have the oil changed every 3,000 miles, your furnace should be serviced every 6 months. Take a look at the various articles on this website and click on the links to some of the heating and air conditioning dealers who have won awards for their expertise in service and quality.